So this is one more package from our 3D printer spare part series. I ordered quite a few of these, just different parts for Anet A8 3D printer, just to make sure that if anything happens I will be able to continue printing. So this is a belt for the X and Y axis. Just a simple 2-meter belt. So let's dig in. Yep. I do have a small belt left from the setup, from the original package, but I thought that I should have some more spare, as it only costs like a couple of bucks, so not a big deal to just have it with me. It looks okay and it's quite long, so if anything happens to my current belt I will be able to replace it and just keep on printing. Nothing else in this package, so thank you very much guys for watching, and have a good one. Bye.